Is anyone good at sound effects, Damien, the voice person?
Well, that's the thing. I feel like I'm a voice actor, yeah, but you don't make your own sound effects as a character.
Yeah.
So I feel like I don't have a particular advantage, but I do have more to lose due to reputation as a voice actor.
I think I might do okay at this. I think I make a lot of weird sounds. People have pointed out that I often make little punching sounds. Like I'll be like,
Wow, that sounds like Mario, dude.
that's just like Mario.
I will say I've been doing a lot of Stardew lately, and those sound effects are fun to replicate. Yeah, let me learn you a thing or two about pipes. Spencer, give me that. What that noise do?
Give me the pipe.
Nope.
Easy.
Ooh. I can't pull the trigger on that.
Kinda.
I can't pull the trigger on
I'm gonna
that.
give you like a foot.
I'm gonna give you a flaccid shot there.
Fine.
That worked.
All right.
I don't want to copy exactly what Damien did. It
can.
worked, but I had another thought that's either gonna completely work or completely backfire on me.
Sure,
But
sure.
I have confidence in it, so let's go. Okay. Okay, this is a bad idea. Okay. So I was thinking, what if I went like guttural with it and I went like a nope. Damn it!
Nope.
I'm laughing at the visual of it being real bullets and being like, let me try. Nope.
Spencer, what'd that noise do?
I knew it was coming.
That sounds like you.
Good luck, man.
You got it, but I want to hear it again.
That time wasn't that good.
The word is loquacious. L-O.
I don't like it.
Good.
That's okay.
That was good.
Okay. That's okay. Wait, you're gonna take
Well, that
that one was worse.
You
Are you done?
bullet? I do. What's that noise do?
Yours was the least bad, but it wasn't it. Wait, can I hear it one more time and we all try and do it together?
You know, Spencer, I'm ready to hear the next sound. Give it a shot.
Wow.
One more time.
Yeah, one more. I think
Yeah, sure.
Just sit back down. All right.
You got the vocal fry and the mama, right?
Sorry, I messed up. I missed the middle part.
Why'd you do that?
Yeah. You're looking feel bad.
Wait, what's the middle part go? It's
Woo,
mom.
wahoo, wow, wow.
Okay.
I think it's pretty good.
I think you got
That's
it.
pretty good.
Yeah.
I think you got it.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, Miss.
What was that? That was a record scratching.
Boo! Spencer. Well, don't assume.
Well.
No way. That might have been the best. one though. That might have been the best attempt at
Can you
it.
pull up the Bowser? Scared.
When I signed on to do this, I thought Pokemon sounds would be like drowsy, like
You thought the show.
The show. Are we doing like the Game Boy game?
I think we're doing like the.
Oh no!
Yep.
Oh, good luck, Mr. Voiceover guy.
I didn't do it, Tommy. Just did. Pika! It's better.
No.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
That was good. Good job. No, Tommy's hating. That was really good.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
No.
Do it again. Tommy, we need to hear.
No, he's not doing it again.
I need to hear. Pika!
That was horrible.
What the hell?
Yeah, that was.
That was really bad,
bad
Shane.
and you should
Do
feel
better.
bad.
Can I just say this before you go?
Yeah.
You only get one try.
What?
What?
I haven't
Only
spoken
one
to
try.
someone in weeks.
That's not my problem.
You're gonna have more rounds. It could very much be your problem.
Oh, I'm just
Now's not
playing.
the time to make enemies, Keith.
You get as many as you want.
Thank you.
Let's get a quick look at the pocket. The pocket says "be better," so I think this is foreshadowing.
It is a statement on all of Twitter and the internet.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
My voice sounds different because of COVID.
It does.
Let's hear it one more time. Let's hear it one more time.
Sorry, you guys saying COVID. It's the COVID. It's all COVID.
Great. Ow! Oh, these pants offer no protection. It was different when we wore denim. It was different when I... Give me one more try.
Okay, one more try, man.
These really hurt.
I know.
Here's the thing. If you could stop hitting every one of you right here, because you threaded that needle every time.
Okay, I got this. This is it. This is my day. It's my moment.
I also got this, so I was just checking.
Let me check. Oh, they got me back. Hold on. We should probably put it.
we're getting bounced
It's
back
a
over here.
ricochet.
That was enough. I'm sorry.
It was,
Oh, sorry. I should have wore pants.
I can't go any higher anymore. Everything's different now.
Aww.
This is the thing. I think, relatively speaking, that's going to be the best one out of this group.
Yeah.
So I might
Should we just give it to him?
I might give him the pass.
Should we just let's have them do it one more time and then we'll decide.
That was
That's
the
good.
best.
one we
That
got.
was good. That was
He's-
good.
he's-
That was
he's-
good.
Good job.
That was good. That was pretty good.
Yeah.
Can you do it again though? I just asked.
I'm glad I went before Shane because I think that might be the best.
That was the best.
Yeah.
That was really good. That was really good, Shane.
I'll let the majority take the.
Oh, do you disagree?
I disagree.
Oh, she disagreed. Sorry, he disagreed. I can't help. Ooh.
What?
You didn't even try. Be better.
Ricocheted onto my face! I can't, Greg!
I can't do it, Greg. I can't do it.
We need to.
You think I'm gonna do it now, Greg?
You deserve one more chance.
I don't need another chance.
If you
Give
need,
me the
if
gun.
you need this, you can have it back. I have a plan.
What? Hold on, wait.
I have a plan. If you need this, I will give it back and you get
Why
free
isn't this
shots.
Open. One more again.
You know, that was close. Okay, fine. Take the gun.
It was.
I had an idea.
It was
It's
smart.
action.
It's clever, but it's cheating.
How is it cheating? It's make the Pokemon noise, not say it.
It's
also,
true.
Ow! This hurts. What? It's not bad.
That's actually not that bad, but you can try it again. That's the last part for you. I'll give him that.
No.
Why? It's just a lot. I'm going through a lot right now.
Good job. Very close.
You guys ready for this?
You're gonna use a phone ring. You're gonna use a phone ring and then.
Too much. So I'll be friendly here.
Everyone can make a sheep sound. We all wore a mask for 2 years.
Wow, Tommy's an anti-vaxxer was not on my October bingo card.
He's from Florida.
He's from Florida.
How are you, the voice actor, not the one to do this right?
Tommy, my voice was very sore from doing all my auditions last night. I had 4 auditions to edit, and my voice is very sore.
You say that every time.
Yeah, because I'm a working voice actor, Shane.
Every time. Then don't.
How many voice auditions did you ever book?
Put your goggles on.
How many voice auditions did you book?
Put your goggles
And
on.
show me dad ass.
Okay, turn around.
I'm not showing you my ass. My ass is powerful.
Okay.
You can see me as the lead in the most.
I wore this because I thought it'd be funny.
It
and
will
now
be.
that I'm here, I am regretting it pretty hard.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
What do you mean you didn't mean to? There are 2 things you have to press. That is very on purpose.
No, he caught me.
Give it to me again.
Don't shoot this time, guys.
Yeah.
It's fun.
That's pretty
It was
good.
like Cartman. Who said that? It's fine.
good.
I'll take it.
Okay.
I didn't mean to shoot you, I promise.
Tricep.
My arm is exposed and you got it. Someone got me in the back of the.
That is not a good place.
Dang it.
It was a good try, though.
It was a very good try, guys.
That was
good
good.
effort.
That's the best one so far.
Was that the best
Yeah.
one?
It really was.
Come on now.
Give me a minute, Greg. Go on, one more time.
Absolutely.
Ow! Why the ass? The sweater protects so much.
Give me the sound. You can't already start.
My finger.
Give me the sound again.
He's dead. He's dead.
I wanted his left tricep to match his right.
Oh, you asshole.
Holy crap. You know,
That's
That's the closest butter. Ow! Who did better than me, Keith?
It's not about that.
I approved. I approved.
It's-
I'm gonna need one more.
No. You don't get to pose like that. He does not need to go again.
No.
Nope.
Good.
Oh, no, I didn't.
God! Same shot every time. The ribs. It's the ribs.
Absolutely.
One more time, Greg. It's the last one. It's a big deal.
Okay, we'll give you one more try. Damien, no, it's not.
Ow, left handles wide. Ah. But it was pretty good though, right?
That was Toad desperately trying to get the waiter's attention.
I loved it. Oh no! Excuse me.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's.
Yeah.
Play.
Ooh, that's pretty good, but not good enough.
Buy the chosen merch. See, the left handle sucks, don't they? Don't they?
Good lord.
Okay, we're good.
We're good.
We're good.
Good.
We're good. We're good.
What? I didn't.
That was us trying desperately to recreate Pokemon sounds or get pelted.